Hello guys, welcome back to a new video from Sam Game YouTube channel. So guys, today we are meeting after a very long time, and guys, we couldn't upload videos because of net problems and Shomrup had gone on a trip. And guys, so today we will upload daily videos again. And guys, we will get a magic cube tomorrow. So please do not forget to take it. And guys, let's go. And guys, today we will continue our series of Hero Rank Push. Okay, Shomrup? Hello? Yeah, and guys, Shomrup has got a terrible cold. So guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. And today's like aim is 18 likes, guys. Please do 18 likes. I have to work hard for these videos.
I got a terrible cold.
Yes, I see that you have got a terrible cold. Kono has now become a 30 character, say?
Yes.
So guys, today we will try our best to do Booyan, guys. Let's go. Hey, let's go to Samurai Garden. There are many loots in Samurai Garden.
Yes.
And nobody comes in Samurai Garden. Let's go. And Samurai Garden is blue zone. Oh,
I am going.
Hare, please do not go to the Bermuda Triangle. Have you gone to the Bermuda Triangle or what?
No, I am going to circuit.
You go to circuit, I am going to blue zone. And I will get M8-2B and M8-7. Oh guys, there is an West level 3 and Sniper Samus and MP40. I do not want MP40. Who wants MP40? What 30 loot is this? Give me my
I
favorite
got
gun.
a ox.
Where is my favorite gun? M8-2B. Where has M8-2B gone? M8-2B has gone on a holiday or what? Where is M8-2B?
You are standing beside me. Help me.
How can I help you? I am far from you. Oh no, you're here only. Hey, there are base level 2s here. You can take them. There's a VSS Hex here. Let me take this VSS Hex. Blue wall. Hey, there is a 4x scope and a woodpecker here.
Give.
Let me take the 4x scope and you take the woodpecker. Hello, where is M8-2B? I cannot find one M8-2B only.
Our game has crashed.
Very good. Oh, there is an M8-2B. Oh no, this is a what? This is a connected cassette. Let me take this only. Oh guys, M8-2B. Thank goodness I got an M8-2B. Thermal scope and this scope not needed. How many? I have many ammos. So, and guys, I want an M1887. So let's search. I want many sniper ammos. Hey, will I take double sniper?
No.
Okay, as you wish. Where is M1887? I want an M1887 also. Let's go and see where we can find an M1887. Or else I have to waste money. I mean, not money. Oh guys, I've got a level 4 mushroom. Where are you? You are in blue zone only?
Yes.
Oh guys, I've got an M1887 at last. Let me throw everything at.
But M187 is 30.
Not 30. I can. If you do not do headshots, then it is 30. But I can do good headshots also. There is sniper ammo in front of me. Let me take the sniper ammos. Guys, I've got many sniper ammos, and I think I need only one more thing. Silencer, wow. I have to buy a bag.
Where is the woodpecker?
Wait.
Where is the woodpecker?
There it is here somewhere. You find no. Wait 1 second. Where is the store? Here is. You have got the woodpecker?
No.
Then find it. You want UMP?
No, I have Thompson.
Wait 1 second. Here I have bought a bag. Now I'll get much space. Now let me take all the M887 ammos.
Here is a VSS X.
You need silencer?
Yes. No. I want woodpecker. Where is the woodpecker?
Hey, will I take M887 or UMP? Let me take M887 or UMP. Will I take UMP? Hello?
Take UMP.
Yes, UMP is much more good. Hey, then give me a 4x. Oh, I have got thermal. I have left a 4x scope here somewhere. Let me find it. Wait, I have to drop this. Hey, if you find SMG ammo, give me, okay?
Okay.
Landmine. Wait.
Guys, I have got a horrible cold.
Terrible. Not horrible. Hey, the zone is coming. Let's go. Let's go. The zone is coming. Hey, give me the 4x scope.
Come here.
Mark it.
Here is a thermal scope also.
I do not need thermal. I need 4x. I have to throw away some sniper ammo because so much sniper ammo is not needed.
Let's go to the safe zone.
Let's go.
I got a horrible cold.
Yes. Hey, let's catch the zip line. Then we will go very fast.
Yes.
You are coming. You are in behind me.
Yes.
Let's go. Hey, if you find a vehicle, it will be very good, you know.
Yes.
Hey, take this mushroom. Hey, I think there are enemies in here. Hey, you have glue walls?
No.
Then take some glue walls from me. Come here. How many you have? Speak truthfully.
I have one.
Then take some.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Here there are enemies.
I know there is enemy because there's a loot box in there. Here is also a loot box. Hey, be very careful. There is an enemy somewhere here. Let me see. I cannot see the enemy yet. Let's go. I think he had came. He had came before, but now he's gone. I think.
Yes.
Hey, let me take that. Hey, buzz this can to. Very good. Hurry, there is a vehicle going here. Come, follow me, follow me.
Coming.
Fast. You can see the tower there.
Yes.
He has landed there. I mean, he has gone there. Hurry, he is returning. He's up. Come.
Coming.
I have given him 116.
Where is he?
Hurry, up the tower. I have no medikits. Have a grenade. Yes, I have a grenade. Hey, I'm throwing a grenade. You go from there. I'm throwing a grenade. Hurry, he has got 118 damage. Kill him. He has got.
Let's go down. There is two enemies.
I have killed him. Hey, give me the medikit. I need medikit. Hey, here's an M8-2B. You take the M8-2B.
I don't want it to be. I had dog.
Hey, you give me medikit. Where is medikit? Here.
I left there too many good. There is another enemy.
I saw that enemy. Hello guys, so Shomurop is knocked here. You're upstairs.
I'm coming down.
Come.
Please give me one.
Hey, come to the. There he is. I've given him a headshot. Let's go. I've given him 123 also. He is only of one. Oh, guys, he was made up of steel, you know.
Yes. We give him too much damage. And now I have 0 medicine.
Hey, now I have to take an AWM only. Nothing I can do. I have to take an AWM. Hey, let's go. Hey, let me take the sniper ammo. What will I
Oh,
throw?
can we do Booyah?
I think we can. Guys, then I have to go to my sniper settings, okay?
Yes, go.
I'm going to my sniper settings. If an enemy comes, then alert me, okay?
Okay.
Let me buy. Hey, you want anything? I have many tokens.
No, I don't want anything. There is an enemy in the airdrop.
Oh, drop. Okay, let's go. In the front airdrop.
Yes.
Oh yes, I can see him. Wait. I am doing third party. I have killed one.
Wow, my game collapsed again. Hey, I am alive. Hello?
Hare, I'm
Hello?
trying. Hello, hello. I do not know if you're alive. Oh, yes, you're alive. I will try to.
Now you can only do something.
Yes. This zone is very disturbing thing.
I am going to die, you know.
Yes, you're going to die. Yes. Yes, I have reached the zone. Now let me kill.
You are only my last hope.
Let's see, guys.
Guys, can Sam do Booyah?
No,
You die.
I'm left with 14 HP.
Heal.
I have to take a permanent cover. Here.
You don't have Wukong also.
I am alive because of Chrono.
And I am dead.
Someone is giving me a lot of damage.
I am dead.
Yes. Now I do not have any medikits also, guys. What will I do? Oh, guys, what a good headshot. I have killed one.
Copy. Good.
Only one left. Guys, if I do Booyah, guys.
In the lesson, don't have to take a gun of Fortnite.
What will I do? I didn't have much backspace. Garina has. Guys,
can Sam do Booyah?
hey, a short range gun is in front of me. I have taken the short range gun.
Yes. How many ammo?
I have given a very, very serious headshots.
There is a landmine, okay? Go
I have
and
seen that. Oh, guys!
Okay, guys, Booyah!
Oh, guys, last time grenade cook, guys. I am grenade master, guys. OP, guys. Very guys.
So, guys, today again Booyah, and we are very close to heroic.
Yes, I got a massive plus. Hey, now Shomarab, tell how well do I use double sniper? I killed almost everyone with double sniper.
You are a double sniper king.
Very good, but not better than Ajju bhai.
Yes.
I want to be like him one day.
Yes.
So guys, now we have done a Booyah, guys. Booyah. So guys,
Yes.
meeting you in the next video. For until then, goodbye guys and stay safe.